I'm here with Olivier Benoit. Hello. So great to have you joining us, but interested in your opinion. Tell us the good, the bad, the ugly, air supply, demand over the next 12 months. What are your thoughts?
Well, the ugly is the level of air pricing, actually. The bad is that it may stick for a couple of quarters, especially in Europe. But the good is that we are expecting a tipping point coming from the US, where the trends are showing us that we still have a year-over-year increase, but it's softened. So we would expect that end of the year, this trend will move to Europe. So early 24, we could maybe not be out of the inflation, but be in a much better spot for the corporate clients.
Well, speaking of inflation, what are 3 things that travel programs can do right now to help ease the sting of inflation?
Well, the first thing is the usual manage dynamically your program. We have volatility in pricing, high pricing, so it requires data, monitoring on a monthly basis, looking at gaps and closing it by addressing terms with suppliers. So that's the basic, and it's more important than ever. The second one is to keep an eye on distribution. The air retailing model, the new one that is currently implemented, is accelerating, and that comes with a potential cost for corporate buyers, because airlines are shifting their distribution cost to the distribution chain. So tech companies, TMCs, but also, of course, the end client. So this is something that needs to be addressed and discussed with all stakeholders. And the last one, well, it's maybe more related to managing demand. So there is a strong focus and need to improve sustainable business travel. And that comes with technology, but also with managing demand, potentially traveling less, and that will reduce the cost.
So this might be a big question, but what's coming next for Advito? What's coming out from you all soon?
So today, as we speak, we are releasing the Q3 air and hotel price index. So we are shopping into the future. So we are releasing online on advito.com the indexes for air by geography and for hotel with various markets. So we can anticipate the trends for Q3. So that's the latest news for us.